Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Look what time it is, Christmas time, and we're getting our hot beverage station all set up for Christmas. Did it not turn out beautiful? I was so pleased with everything I did. I hope you agree with all the beautiful Christmas colors of green, red, white. I thought a little bit of gold all about. And of course, what hot beverage station has to have a little light? The candles, flickering lights of my tea lights, all about. And the candy canes ready to use for stirring. Are they not great? But you know what I found this year? These awesome spoons. I found them at Dollar Tree along with the candy canes. And you could put these in and stir your hot chocolate and give it that wonderful peppermint taste. And as you can see, I have my Nestle hot cocoa ready to go. And my Good Earth sweet and spicy tea for us tea lovers like me. And then we even, if you can see there, it's not very clear, we have a little bit of chai tea also. Does that not sound good? Also for our hot chocolate, I got some little marshmallows over in the corner, ready to drop into one of my beautiful new cups that I just got. I brought out my crystal candlestick holders, and as you see, there's no candles in them. Still haven't found my candles. Oh my God. Is Grandma gonna have to buy some new candles? It's not looking good for Grandma with the candles. But I decorated this one with a Christmas ball of silver and gold. Is it not beautiful? And this one has a flickering tea light and some beautiful greenery. Well, it's not green, it's silver and white. But it matches the candlesticks so beautifully, I thought. And of course, we sprinkled my whole hot beverage bar with pine cones, because you know, it looks a little bit like Christmas. Some of the pine cones are the natural color, and some are gold that have been painted gold. Some, as you can see, even have little specks of snow on them. Here's another one with snow. And of course we have our gold reindeers again. Are they not beautiful? And I pulled this from my floral stash, and I thought it turned out so pretty. Just pops right out, doesn't it? Now I have this cute little hat that says Merry Christmas. And all these beautiful florals and silver and white. Believe it or not, I know it's going to be hard to believe. This is another, well, no, it's not really, I shouldn't say. This is a $2 post. Because Grandma almost said free, and it wasn't free, because Grandma did spend $2. Now, what did Grandma spend $2 on? Oh my gosh, come on guys. Look, what do you see that looks new that you've never seen before? Oh, maybe you did notice. My my beautiful peppermint candy canes. And of course, my beautiful peppermint candy stirring spoons. Oh my gosh. I got them at Dollar Tree, and they were $1 each. And look how they added so much color to my hot beverage bar. Didn't it add a lot of color? I thought it did. I was very pleased how this turned out. Total cost, $2. Who says you can't decorate on a budget? As you can see, Grandma's always trying to do something creative in her home because Grandma lives on Social Security and a very inexpensive, well, I shouldn't say inexpensive. I have a very low paying job. I work 4 days a week, it's minimum wage. But you know something? At least I'm working still. At least I'm getting out and my mind is still working. And best of all, I see awesome people every day at work. Not too many, so I don't want you guys panicking that I'm working around a lot of people. I'm not. The coffee shop in our business, our building, has went bankrupt, so there's no one in there. The bank has been closed since March because of the virus. So maybe I see 15 or 20 people a day, not too many. Right now we have contractors in remodeling the 4th floor. So I'm going to sound a little tired because I'm working until 1 o'clock in the morning. Until, well, for this week. We'll see what next week brings. But anyway, that's beside the point. The point is, Grandma needs to have a little job for she can afford to spend money on her YouTube channel. As long as I'm working, you know I'll find something to spend money on. Now, this was a $2 post. Very happy about this. I have 2 posts that I did spend quite a bit of money for coming up, so make sure you come back and watch them. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Oh, please don't hang up. There's more to come, and more kisses also. Just wanted to show you the candlelight flickering in the background. Is it not beautiful and romantic? I just wanted to be sure that you could see this. Because when the light was on up above, you really couldn't tell the beautiful little flickering candlelight. Oh my gosh, did it not turn out so pretty? Well, you can see that I'm ready for winter now. I have my Christmas cups out to fill with tea. And of course, there's always Good Earth. It's an awesome tea because it's a natural sweetener. Great. And a little cream or milk to add to it. Well, we're going to do a slideshow. So there's not going to be anything but some beautiful music and some pictures on the slideshow of my beautiful hot beverage bar that I put together today. So if you'd like to stay tuned and watch them, go right ahead and listen to some pretty music while you're doing that. Now you know Grandma loves you, so I'm going to give you a couple more kisses, but please stay tuned. There's a slideshow coming. Don't forget the slideshow. Just wanted to make sure you got a lot more kisses, because you know how much Grandma loves you.